What can we expect from Salman Khan here at Yas Island, Abu Dhabi?
Antawawa.
So even like between you all, like romantic wise, is there 19-20 or both are equally romantic?
वो तो हम दोनों के बीच में है ना, आपको क्यों बताएं?
I'm a big foodie, so yeah.
No way.
I am.
I don't trust you at all. आपका favorite Arabic food क्या है? We're gonna get the truth out, guys. I've taken this up. Joining me on the IFA green carpet right now is a guy who can pull off a pink suit like no other. It is the one and only Tiger Shroff. Tiger, how are you doing?
Very happy to be here. Thank you.
All right, Yas Island, Abu Dhabi में हम आए हैं. We're celebrating IFA 2022 with a bang. How excited are you?
Good plug-in. I'm very excited. I'm nervous and excited.
But what are the plans though? Are you planning on stepping out? What are the things that are on your list?
I definitely want to go to some lovely places to eat. I'm a big foodie, so yeah.
No way.
I am.
I don't trust you
believe
at
it,
all.
yeah. I am, believe it.
Really?
Yeah.
आपका favorite Arabic food क्या है?
The Arabic food.
We're gonna get the truth out, guys. I've taken this up.
I like Arabic coffee very much. Yeah.
That's actually really good.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Brilliant. Yeah.
Have a great evening.
Thank you.
The presence of Your Excellency and, you know, all the Indians love you thoroughly well, and so do we. And it's absolutely a privilege to have you here. How does it feel the very first time at the IFA 2022? Sir?
It's a pleasure to host the IFA for the first time in UAE, and especially after the pandemic. We've been inspired by the films industry and the films, Indian films, which have been worldwide claims and renowned all over the world. The people here in the UAE, in particular, how they feel towards the Indian film industry and Indian films. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Humble thanks to you, sir.
IFA green carpet पे आ गए हमारे साथ the most beautiful and elegant couple. Abhishek sir, Aishwarya ma'am, welcome.
Thank
How are
you.
you guys
Thank
doing?
you. Very well. Thank you.
So even like between you all, like romantic wise, is there 19-20 or both are equally romantic?
वो तो हम दोनों के बीच में है ना, आपको क्यों बताएं? Are you married?
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
Yes, I
What about
am.
you? Who's more romantic? Who's more romantic between you and your
My
wife?
wife.
Yeah?
For sure.
Yeah. She's also.
She's watching, na?
I am.
That's why it's
Good answer, brother. Good answer.
अंदर दा कुत्ता अज कड़िए
The charming, the handsome, the beautiful, the stunning, the gorgeous, and I can keep going on and on and on. Oh, hi Shahid. How's it going?
You know, looking amazing tonight.
Thanks,
And it's
Shahid.
always a pleasure to see you.
Thanks, Shahid.
And do you have any questions for me
I
tonight?
have so many questions for you,
Get
Shahid.
to them.
All right. Shahid, आज के ग्रीन कार्पेट के लिए आपको तैयार होने के लिए कितना वक्त लगा? Honest answer first.
About 35 minutes. The face takes 15, the hair takes 30.
Wow, I love that, guys. Thank you so much, Shahid. I hope you have a wonderful. That's all we wanted, guys. एक और चेयर लगवा दो.
तो नहीं तो मैं नहीं जाऊँ.
ये और ये आपने सुना है सिर्फ और सिर्फ हमारे एरिया से ग्रीन कार्पेट के. Thank you very much, guys. It's now Shahid Kapoor and Galen Mendonca hosting from here. Thank you. That's all we have for you. He's not leaving, guys. he's here to stay. It's the best day ever, guys. Can you believe it? I have managed to keep Shahid Kapoor all to myself. Sorry, Meera. Shahid, stop it. Just go now.
Maria, 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 Señorita Maria, Maria, Maria.
Hello, ma'am. How are you doing?
Hello, please don't ma'am me. And I'm doing very well, Kishla. Thank you.
I'm always confused what to call people when I meet them the first.
No, I'm not that old. I'm one generation younger, so I'm fine.
Respect, especially because we've seen you won Miss Universe. So I think there's just that reverence always for you.
Thank you.
You're looking stunning.
Thank you.
And you're nominated for Bell Bottom
Yes.
for portraying such an iconic role.
Yes.
You were unrecognizable. Please take us through that.
See, this is the wonder of being an actor. You have to be unrecognizable in order to be nominated.
IFA के ग्रीन कार्पेट पे हमारे पास आ गई हैं the gorgeous, the supremely talented Ananya Pandey. How are you doing?
amazing. It's the best place to be. It's the grandest, biggest, best show. So I'm very happy to be here.
How's been your time in Abu Dhabi?
It's been good. We've been working a lot, but I'm really excited for everyone to watch my performance. It's my first ever performance on stage, and I wouldn't want to be anywhere else in the world.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Have
Thank
a great
you.
evening.
You too. Thank you. You all are damn cute together. How? Why? कैसे? इतने सालों बाद भी.
But I see.
And please, quickly, we want to know about the outfits because I mean, fashion. Very cool.
तो ये क्या होता है, मैं जिनिया को बोलता हूँ कि आप जो पहन रहे हो आप डिसाइड करो, उसके बाद जो भी ठीक ठाक लगे आपके बाजू में मुझे बता देना, मैं पहन लूंगा.
I want to ask that whenever you both fight, who's the first person to make up?
क्योंकि गलती जिसकी होती है उसी को मेकअप करना पड़ता है, तो गलती हमेशा मेरी होती है.
ये बताइए, you're looking dashing and dapper, and I would like to add as always. लेकिन आज आपको #green carpet ready होने में कितना वक्त लगा? Just the honest answer.
5 minutes?
No way.
Absolutely.
मुझे तैयार होने में बिल्कुल वक्त नहीं, मैं चाहे कुछ भी कर लूँ इससे अच्छा नहीं लग सकता.
24 hours.
24 hours, guys.
I'm still not ready. That's the honest answer, yeah.
कितना वक्त लगा आपको तैयार होने में?
20-25 मिनट बस.
अच्छा?
45 minutes.
That's it?
Yeah.
Give this woman an award right now.
Thank you very much. Thank my manager, everybody, the team, IFA. Thank you very much.
When someone else is looking better than you at the green carpet.
Never happens.
Mic drop.
Nach, 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 meri rani.
You, star. Don't break my heart.
Huh?
Yeah.
Tu. Stara.
Tara. Tara.
Mera dil na.
Yeah. No.
What can we expect from Salman Khan here at Yas Island, Abu Dhabi?
Antawawa.
Joining me on the IFA Rocks and Awards green carpet right now is the man of the hour. Hi Salman. How are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
यास आइलैंड अबू धाबी के साथ आपका बहुत ही लंबा एसोसिएशन रहा है.
जी.
अब तक का आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है?
बहुत ही अच्छा रहा मेरा एक्सपीरियंस और ये इंशाल्लाह आगे तक चलेगा. बहुत आगे तक चलेगा.
Absolutely. We've seen you perform on the IFA stage so many times. You are going to be performing yet again this year. आप हमें बता दें, what can we expect from Salman Khan here at Yas Island, Abu Dhabi?
थोड़ा सा बिग बॉस टाइप का hosting you can expect.
Okay. And I hear that you have 2 cheeky co-hosts with you as well.
जी हाँ, and they're amazing. They're very special. Ritesh Deshmukh is like a younger brother to me, and Manish Paul, very good.
He's very good. Well, आपकी movies ने, आपके performances ने बहुत सारे लोगों को inspire किया है. We could hear the claps and the whistles and the sounds for you every time you walk by. लेकिन ऐसी कोई फिल्म है या फिर ऐसा कोई गाना है पिछले साल में जिसने आपको इंस्पायर किया है? Is there anything that inspired the Salman Khan?
Antawawa.
Hi, how are
How are you? Welcome to IFA.
Thank you.
I'm such a huge fan of you both. I can't believe I'm getting to do this, that too together. It's a moment for me. And ma'am, when we see you at Cannes, it's such a representation. हमारे लिए annual fest होता है कि आप जाएंगी वहाँ पे हमको looks देंगे and we're all like just looking at it. It's amazing.
Thank you. Thank you for your love.
Thank you so much. You are performing tonight.
Yes, I am.
कुछ special all the best मिलता है performance से पहले?
Always. She's my ultimate and best support.
Yeah.
I've always said without her encouragement it becomes very difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What kind of words would you probably tell me before?
Fun. Be yourself.